Namaste friends, my name is Nisha Thakur and I am a maths online tutor. In this video, I am going to tell about absolute value inequalities, how to solve absolute value inequalities, and here are the properties of absolute value inequalities. If given absolute value inequalities in this form, and c is a positive number, so that time this inequality we can write in equivalent form this these all and graph like this. Here not equal to, it means we can use curved bracket. Okay, curved bracket like this. And if equal to sign, that time include, it means square bracket. Okay. So here is the question: solve graph and give interval notation for the solution. Here are four questions. So here is the first question. Absolute value 4x minus 5 greater than or equal to 6. It means this is fourth type of inequality, and here we use or sentence because here more than or equal to 6, or we can say C this. Okay. So here or type of sentence: 4x minus 5 greater than or equal to 6, or 4x minus 5 less than or equal to minus 6. Okay, this is this one and this is this one. Okay, now we can solve these both inequalities. So we can add 5 both sides. So 4x greater than or equal to 6 plus 5 11, and now both side divide by 4, so we get x greater than or equal to 11 upon 4. Okay, here we can add both side 5, so 4x less than or equal to minus 6 plus 5, this is minus 1, and both side divide by 4, we get minus 1 upon 4. Okay, this one we can represent on number line. So this is 11 upon 4 is 2.75 approx, and so 2.75, it means here near to 3. Okay, and x greater than or equal to 11 upon 4, so it means here more than this, and here equal to sign, that's why this point include, and this is more than this point. Okay, minus 1 upon 4, minus 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4 means 0.25, so minus 0.25, it means very very near to 0. Okay, this here also include, and all less than this number, so here this type of inequality. Okay, we can represent in interval notation. So this is negative 1 upon 4 include, and all here negative values, so negative infinite union here include, this is 11 upon 4, and all here till infinite. So this is graph and this is interval notation of this inequality. If given absolute value more than or equal to any positive number. Okay. Now here is the second question. This one we can solve first for mod x. So we have to add 4 both side, minus 3 mod, we can say this is, or absolute value minus 12, minus 16 plus 4 minus 12. Now both side divide by negative number, so inequality sign change. Here both side divide by negative 3. Negative 12 upon negative 3, we get 4. This is which type of inequality? This fourth one, right? So, or sentence. So, x greater than or equal to 4 or x less than or equal to negative 4. Okay. We can represent on number line. This is x greater than or equal to 4. 4 is this, include, and more than 4. It means like this. Okay. Here minus 4 represent here. This is include and all x values less than minus 4. So like this. Okay. This is the graph. So minus 4 and include here all negative numbers till negative infinity union. Here 4 include all positive numbers till infinity. This is the interval notation. Okay, very simple questions. This third question, we can solve for this absolute value. So we have to subtract 9 both side. This is cancel. Minus 2 mod 4x plus 1 or absolute value 4x plus 1. 3 minus 9 minus 6. We have to remove this minus 2, so for that we have to divide by negative 2 both side. So inequality sign change. Negative 6 divided by negative 2, which is 3. Now this absolute value less than a positive number, less than 3, or we can imagine less than c. So less than c, it means this is first type of, so equivalent form is this minus c less than x less than c. So we can write minus 3 less than 4x plus 1 less than 3. Okay, this value between minus 3 to 3. For that, here we have to solve for x. So for this, we have to subtract 1. Minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 less than 4x less than 2. 3 minus 1, 2. Now both side means all sides divide by 4. So negative 4 upon 4, 4 upon 4, 2 upon 4. This is negative 1 less than x less than 1 upon 2. Now we can represent on a number line. So here minus 1 is this, and this is x value more than minus 1, correct? So here like this 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 means 0.5 this. Okay, here this one and less than this. So what is overlap area? Here minus 1, here 1 upon 2, and both are not included. So this is minus 1 to this 1 upon 2. So this is our answer. Okay. Now here fourth question. So we can simplify for this absolute value. For that we have to subtract 12 both side. 4 6x minus 1 less than 4 minus 12 minus 8. Now both side divide by 4 because we want to remove this. So absolute value 6x minus 1 less than minus 8 divided by 4 minus 2. Absolute value can't be less than any negative number. It is impossible. So here no solution. So answer is no solution. Okay, because absolute value always be positive. Okay, whatever inside here. Now this is another question, and we can solve for this absolute value. For that we have to subtract 5. This is cancel. Negative 6 x plus 7 less than or equal to 17 minus 5 12. Now both side divide by negative 6. So negative number, whenever we multiply or divide, inequality sign change. So absolute value x plus 7 greater than or equal to 12 divided by minus 6 minus 2. Absolute value always greater than negative. So here answer is all real numbers. Whole means this number line is the answer. So all real numbers. Okay, or we can represent our whole number line here in possible answers. So very simple questions. If you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye. Have a nice time.